Just smile, boys. Smile and Kowalski.
We're only 500 feet from the mace shovel.
And the bad news?
We've broken our left sewer line.
Rico, you're a popsicle stick. We need shovels and find more shovels.
And me, Skipper?
Cuddly. Today we're gonna dump.
Gotcha, bitch! Cause it's broke.
You, quadruped. Sprechen Sie English?
I sprechen.
What continent is this?
Manhattan.
Hoover, damn! You're still
Manhattan.
abort! Dive, dive, dive!
Hey, you in the top! Wait a minute! What are you guys doing? We're digging to Antarctica. Antarctica?
Can you keep a secret, my monochromatic? Do you ever see any penguins running free around New York City? Of course not. We don't belong here. It's just not natural. This is all some kind of whacked-out conspiracy. We're going to the wide-open spaces of New York City. To the wild.
That sounds great. Hey, hold up! Where is this place? Tell me where it is!
You didn't see anything.
Nigga.
You've been ratted out, boys. Cute and ugly, boys. Cute and cute. You, higher mammal.
Hey.
Can you read?
No, Phil can read. No. Phil!
I don't know how to fucking read, you dumb animals. Now let me finish drinking my beers, please.
Africa! FBI, open up!
Status.
It's no good, Skipper. I don't...
Don't give me excuses. Give me results! Navigation. All right. Let me think. And shut him up!
I did it!
I did it! Get this tin can turned around!
Deja vu, I just been in space before I on the street and I know it's my time to go.
Well, boys, it's gonna be ice cold breakfast. Rico. Now this is more like it.
Oh man, where are the bull?
We killed him.
Psych!
All the people are fine. They're on a slow lifeboat to China. Hey, I know you two. Where's that psychotic China and our monochromatic lion?
Marty? He's right. Where did he go? He was right behind us.
Ugh, he went back for Alex. He's gonna get himself killed.
Well, boys, our monochromatic line is in danger. Looks like we have a job to do.
Plumber's log number 218.
Kowalski, we'll need special tactical equipment. Rico, we'll need to win the hearts and the minds of the natives. We're gonna face extreme peril. Private probably won't survive.
This is the plan?
Who's the Hulk?
Come and get it!
It's been a real pleasure serving with you, boys. Close those eyes. Close those eyes. Rico! Hey! Fire in the hole! Enough! Stop it!
You can say that again.
Skipper! Don't you think we should tell them that the boat's out of the boat?
Nah, just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.